In ADMO, the global settings allow you to customize exactly the way you need to manage your data and workflows. The following video will explain how to change default settings, how to create custom events, how to customize your asset configuration, as well as change your default maintenance schedules. All of that can be found in the administration area under Global Settings. Please note that administrator rights are needed to make changes to the global settings. The general settings can be found in the application settings. In the tab called ADMO, you can choose your default rated frequency as well as the CT standard used to describe your current transformers. In Custom Events, click on Add Event Type. Enter in the name for the event and choose the template. Have a look at the included event sections to see how the templates are different from each other. After you've chosen your flag color, click on OK to create this custom event. Now you can use these custom events in ADMO when adding a new event to an asset. To learn how to create test events, please watch the relevant video tutorial. You can add new assets, asset types, settings, and change their visibility in the asset configuration section. The 15 custom assets can be used to create a new one. First, you would need to change its name. Then to make it visible in ADMO, you would click on the Visible in ADMO checkbox. With this option, you can also choose to hide assets you don't need. This cleans up the look of ADMO. By clicking on Edit Asset Types, you can also create a new asset type, one that isn't available so far. Finally, you can add the settings functionality to assets. First, you have the option to choose if this asset should have settings. Then you can click on the option for revision verification. This allows the feature of the manual revision verification to maintain the 4i principle. By clicking on Edit Applications, you can also add setting applications to your asset. Some relays may have different protection functions for different applications, like line or transformer differential, for example. In the Maintenance and Custom Data section, it is possible to change the default maintenance intervals and to add custom data to a specific asset type. To do so, choose the asset kind and the asset type that you want to customize. Each monitoring mode provides a possibility to choose a different maintenance program. Specify the default time intervals for every section afterwards. A secondary timeline can be activated for your chosen asset type, where the default maintenance program and time intervals can also be set. Click on the Custom Data tab to enter custom fields to describe your asset. By clicking on Add, you can choose between 3 different field types. Boolean is being used to describe a true or false state. For example, to tell if a certain function is active or not. Use the data type number to add a measurable parameter, like delay time or ratios. You can even enter the relevant unit into a dedicated field. The text option should be used for parameters that do not require a unit, such as a curve type or relay identifier. With all this information, you can now customize ADMO the way you need to manage your data and workflows to provide the best usability. Please watch our other ADMO video tutorials to learn more about the software.